So on to cleaning then. This is first airbrush that I've had with a detachable colour cup. Bit of ISO that I've decanted from my big pot. And I just use an old takeaway tub. I have got one of those pots that are sort of like 10-11 quid, but because I'm in a massive workshop with nobody else in, I'm just going to line that out now. That's better, just to get that coming through like that. I'll lean over and get the buds out, and just to get that paint off the side and tip that out. Okay, house that back in there, because what I normally do next, a bit of blue roll and cause the seal at the end just to get a bit of blowback like that, and that keeps it mixing up. This is just my routine. You might comment below and just say, oh mate, you know, you're doing that wrong, mate. Nobody's really ever taught me how to clean an airbrush. I've just sort of like made it up as I've gone along, really. And again, I'll just block that end off just to get that through. I'm going to detach, look at the state of that now, look. I'm going to detach the colour cup like that. Get my ISO on my rag, give that a clean through, like this. It's the front end really that I'm interested in. That's the bit that I really want to sort of have a look at. A little dip in there. I'm not pushing the cotton swab in really hard, because I know that fibres can come off cotton buds quite easily. I just want to make sure that that's nice and clean. It is my Christmas present after all. So nice and clean. So right, colour cup again. I've got my ISO on there. Give that a little rub out. I do prefer this actually, Gary, to that one, that Vida 180, because you can sort of get right in there, mate. Lovely that. Yeah, that's come up lovely, that, mate. So airbrush is clean, inside is clean. Another sort of pipette. I'm just going to drop a little bit in there, because I can see that that colour's come back up to the top, and I'm just going to blast that through like that. That's it. Now once I've put some isopropyl through, just to give it a flush, what I normally do, in fact what I always do, not going to lie to you, I flush it out with water as well. Now, ordinarily, again, because I've been using the Vida and the colour cup is on, I usually sort of half fill my colour cup on my Vida with water, and again I go through all the routine, blasting it through with water. I fill that up, I block the end off, I get it bubbling up. That mixes it up inside your gun. I don't need to get it all through, I can empty that out. And then last test, back of my glove, always do it back of my glove. Just tap front end like this, like that, and I know that my airbrush is clean. What I do want to do though, this is the bit that I'm really interested in, is this little bit. So Gary's just coming in and getting a little bit closer. So there you go, you see, that's the little needle nipple. I've got a light shining over there. I'm just going to look straight down there, guys, and I can see through. You probably can't, mate. You can't get in because of my big shoulders. Put the airbrush down nice and gently. I don't want to sort of put that tip down. And I'm looking at this, and actually inside, I've not got my glasses on today, mate, but if you just sort of come over here, look guys, and just show the guy. So I've got a bit of ISO in there, and again it's a lovely big, that fills that up. That takes a cotton bud head straight into there. Okay, bit more, bit of a dab on, in you go, round and round, get that pushed airbrush done. Just like that. Okay, back onto, I can't believe how clean that is actually, mate. And again, no spanner required. Slot that onto there, push that and thread that onto there, nice and tight. Let's have a look. A little bit of water in. I'm a bit of a sort of, I always do the water bit just to make sure that it's constantly flushed, because the last thing that you want to do, and any airbrusher will tell you, is not clean out properly. Just a shallow clean, not a deep clean, because next time that you come to use it and you've got blockages and you're blowing back and you're ranting on Facebook about, I can't get my paint out. Well, you know, clean it properly first time, and you're good to go for second time. Total cost of this entire kit, this is the BARTSHARP 186K, the K stands for kit, £49.99. Airbrush 3 colour cups, 3 needles, 1.8 metre hose, quick release adapter, needle and nipple sets for all the lot, water trap, ABS case, nice foam inlay. Airbrush works absolutely great. I've made the right choice, I think. I could have gone for any of the high-end ones this year, but as I consider myself still, I've only been airbrushing sort of 12 months, so I still consider myself a bit of a newbie. Just give that a clean down. I want it to look really, really nice and sharp, So that's what I plumped for. There you go. I'm not even going to mention, I'm not going to recommend this, right? And I don't want that to sound bad. I'm not here to sway anybody that's watching this video one way or other. It's your choice. This was my choice. It's your choice. If you say that's for me, I'm going to have a go at that, then fine, fair enough. If you don't, if you say no, it's not good enough, I expect more, again, that's your choice. The 186K, the K is the kit. You can get a 186 on its own with one needle, one colour cup, etc, etc, and obviously that's cheaper than the kit. Quite happy with that, Gary. Quite happy with that, mate. What are your thoughts? You happy with that, mate? Yeah, okay. I'm going to wrap it up then, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope that you've been, you know, informed one way or another. I know it's just a quick video. I've said everything that I can say about this kit, and yeah, hopefully you like it. Catch you later. Cheers.